In this video, we will learn how to save and open an Excel workbook. To save an Excel file, we can use Ctrl S. As soon as you will press Ctrl S, you will find this option, save this file. You can put a particular name for your file to as per your uses, like name 1. There is already an extension that has been added here. This is the location that you need to choose. You can choose anywhere like desktop. There are more options are also available that you can use. There's another option by going here file, then use save. Then we find different options. You can use OneDrive where you can save this file. You can use this PC. There will come multiple options like desktop, download. In this PC you can add some place, OneDrive, in any cloud or something like that. And the third option is to browse. You can browse in this computer or any option that is available, like here in the desktop, and I put workbook 2 like name 1 and save it. So it got saved. Now it was name 1. We will close this. Now we will go in the desktop and we see the file name is available. Now here we will double click on this and that workbook now open. So this was the method by which we can save our file and open it. There is another way to open an existing saved file. You can go here. So let's suppose that you already have a new file and you wanted to open and saved one file. So go file, open, and it asks where from you wanted to open that file. Browse, then here name 1, and just click here. Name 1 file has been opened. So these are two different methods by which you can save the file and you can open the existing saved file.